Good morning, friends, and happy Monday. This is like, even though it's been like officially like Christmas since after Thanksgiving, but it actually feels like the official week towards going to Christmas. Does that make sense? Anyway, maybe I'm just babbling. But hey, happy Monday. And it's a little after 9 o'clock in the morning, and I am headed out to run a few errands. Brian wants me to make some chicken soup, so I have to run and go get like some celery and some chicken broth and all that good stuff. And then I'm gonna run to Hobby Lobby really quick to see if I can find some foam that I could fit inside those little galvanized buckets that I showed you guys in yesterday's video. If you guys missed that, I'll put a link to it up here in the corner. You guys can go watch that video where I'm trying to figure out if those little trees by my front door are going to work or not in those little galvanized buckets. And yeah, so I gotta go get those. And then probably, I don't know what else. I think that's probably about it. Then I gotta get back here and get some stuff done, more decorating, because December 1st is right around the corner, guys. And I have to have my video up for you guys to watch for December 1st. So I got a lot of stuff I gotta do in a short time to do it all. Sorry about the bright light. And I gotta get it done now. Just a little shout out, my brother is in the hospital. He has got a blocked colon. So they are in the hospital, he is in the hospital right now. I'm kind of waiting to hear from my mom regarding what they're going to do regarding that issue for him. He has been sick now for the past, I don't know, 2 to 3 weeks, and every time he went into the ER, they just kept sending him home, which is crazy. Oh, you know what? I gotta clean out the back of my car. I can't go around like this. So let me, I'll check back in with you guys a little bit. All right, guys, so I am at Hobby Lobby right now, and I'm gonna go in here and see if I can find some foam that I can put in those little flower tin can things so I can put my Christmas trees in there. And then I might look around for a little. Obviously I'm gonna look around. It's Hobby Lobby, come on, who wouldn't go in here and look around? But I'm actually gonna try to see if I can find some small wreaths that I can put on my kitchen cabinets. I may not do every kitchen cabinet, but just like maybe every other one. So I'm gonna go check that out and see what I can find. So let's go to Hobby Lobby, guys. What do you say? All of their stuff is 50% off. This is dangerous. I love these. These are so cute. And I think these would be like so cute just like sitting in those little tiered things. I like these. So I think I'm gonna get like 2 of them. I'm gonna get the one with the red scarf and the one with the blue scarf. Aren't they adorable? Okay, so that one looks like he's missing his arm. So I won't get that one. It looks like he's missing both of his arms. So we'll get these two. These are so cute, you guys. And I got some wrapping paper and some little tiny wreaths that I'm gonna put on my little houses. So cute. Lots of cute stuff. Cute. Oh my God. They have the little truck ones. Oh my God, those are adorable. These are so cute. Oh, I like, oh, these are for like olives and stuff. That's cute. Cute, cute, cute. For serving. These are cute. Are they glass? Yeah, these are adorable. I don't need them, but they're cute. Cute stuff. Ooh, this is black and furry. Ooh, that is pretty. I love these little mitts. These things are great. I needed new ones because mine are like cheap. Alrighty, so here is the foam. I don't know what foam to get though. Do I get 2 of these, like half things, and stick them in? I think that those will work. How much are these things? I don't even know. Holy crap, these are $8.99? Dang, that's expensive for some foam balls. Holy crap, man. Well, 30% off, but still, geez, that's a lot. Holy crap. I think these will work though. I didn't realize foam was that expensive. Holy crap. Huh. Alright, so I'll get 2 of these and hopefully they'll work. Alrighty guys, so I am back home. I quickly put my soup in the crock pot, that way that could start cooking. So Brian and I can have that for dinner tonight when he comes home. So that check off the list is done. I wanted to show you guys a few of the things that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. They were having a 50% off of everything. Obviously I did not go crazy. I kept it on a little budget. Proud of me for doing that. Little pat on the back. But I did pick up some wrapping paper. I love this wrapping paper. It is so cute. And obviously you guys know the theme. I have red everywhere. Like red tree, red everything. Red everywhere. So I just thought I'm going to wrap all of the gifts in that. So pretty. I might, you know, put some brown paper in there as well. But anyway, so cute. I picked up 4 of these little lamb's ear stems with like all the snow crystal-y stuff on them. So pretty. I picked up 2 of these, just like I said I was going to do. One with the red and one with the blue scarf. Super cute. I picked up 2 of these little garlands. I love these things. Aren't these so much fun? Love these. I'm not sure yet where I'm going to put them. Might put them around my tree. Might put them around the trees out front. I'm not sure yet. And then I did pick up 2 of these foam, half foam balls, I guess you could say, for the trees out front. I'm going to try to go out there and see if this is going to work or not. And then I picked these up because I'm going to put these on my little houses right there. You guys can see the little house right there. I'm going to stick these little wreaths on the front of those houses. I think that's going to look adorable. And I picked these little command hooks up for that purpose. So I hope that that works together. And then I picked up a Christmas gift down here for Hannah and Courtney. And what else was it? Oh, okay. So I'm gonna have to go back to Lowe's and get another one because I'm changing my wall up over here in my kitchen. Let me show you guys. I am gonna change this wall up. I am taking this stuff down and I'm gonna end up hanging 2 shelves there. These shelves right here. These right here, as you guys can see. Just dropped it. So I'm gonna hang 2 of these shelves up right there, just like the ones that are in my bathroom or in my guest bathroom. So I'm gonna hang those there and then decorate those up, and then I'll figure out, you know, later on what I'm gonna do with all that stuff. I might hang the grocery sign like above it, or I might take that grocery sign and put it over there. I'm not exactly sure yet. And then I think I'm just gonna get rid of the eat sign, and I might leave it there and put it beside the shelving. I'll figure it all out, but once I figure it out, obviously you guys will be the first to know. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just in the mood to change that. So that is what's happening with that. I'm gonna change that up, and I think that is about it. So I'm gonna go ahead, y'all. It has been, I have a mess going on everywhere. So right now I really need to just focus on getting my kitchen cleaned up and get some more of my Christmas decorations out. So I'm gonna turn the TV on. I've been doing some Cyber Monday shopping as well. I did Friday shopping online and I used my Ebates. If you guys have not used Ebates yet, I'm telling you, I've already been racking up. I already have about $15 on there racked up, and I'll have more since I just shopped a little bit more on there. And yeah, I'm hoping to use, like, my Ebates check said it's not going to come in until February, and by February I'll probably have a good amount on there. So that's like the monies that I'm going to be using to go to Disney for my birthday when I'm there my birthday weekend. So I'm really happy about that. So I'm gonna actually, whoa! Foam balls rolling all over the place. I'm gonna take these outside really quick, and I'm actually gonna see if they work. Y'all, it is 44 degrees outside and cold, and I know it could be worse. It could be up where everybody else had that blizzard, which is where I am from, where they had the blizzard. And it could be worse, I know, but I'm not used to all that cold, and so it's cold. So I'm actually gonna go out here and see. Ooh, yeah, cold. I'm gonna go out here and see, sorry, it's so close, if this is gonna work or not. So let's see if it's gonna work. I'm gonna have to oh, haha. Okay, so it does work, but I'm gonna actually have to try to find something to fill in right through here so you can't see that, but it definitely works, and it definitely is holding the tree in there, so that's good to know. So I'm happy to know that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that one right there until I can figure out what I can put in there to cover all that up. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh, you know what? I'll probably get some fake snow. And I'll probably put the fake snow in there, because that'll work, right? The fake snow will work. So that is what I'm gonna do. Sorry, it's dark. I'm gonna do the fake snow. That'll work. Alrighty, time to get to cleaning. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clean up my stuff, and I'll check back in with you guys a little bit later. Alrighty, so I hung one on here already with the command hook. It doesn't look too bad, it's clear. I just know that I don't want to like glue it on there because I used these for the fall. So I want to be able to take the wreaths off. I have two more right here because I put the other one over here on this house. Now I did glue that one down because that one is a legitimate like Christmas house because it's got like that snow, fake snow on top of it or whatever, so I'll use that one at Christmas time. So I did glue that one on. That way that one will stay on there all the time. So I also just got my Black Friday gift in the mail. This is my Christmas gift, you guys, for this year. And I will probably, you know, obviously I will do a what I got for Christmas video after Christmas. But this is one of the things that I got for Christmas, and it's my big mixer. So excited! I have always wanted to have a like countertop mixer, and I finally got one. So I'm very, very excited, and it came in and it's right there. Oh, so excited. Right before the holidays too, because I needed one. I was so sick and tired of using my handheld one. Oh, but now I just gotta figure out where I'm gonna put the darn thing. Where am I gonna put it? Because every single spot on my counter is taken up. Every single spot. Water. Tastes so good. So anyway, I'm gonna continue on getting my stuff done. What else did I do? I did something else. Oh, I put those little lamb's ear inside my red vase. So I put that over here in this room right here, but I'm actually gonna set those up. So I'm gonna like put something up underneath it and set those up. So it's gonna sit right here in my room. So that's where that's gonna set, which looks so pretty there. And yeah, I'm actually, you know, I move things around obviously, and then I just take everything upstairs to my craft room. So right now I have things piled up right here to take upstairs. All that stuff's piled there, so I can take it upstairs when the time is right and when I'm ready to do that. Not ready to quite go up there just yet, so. But yeah, moving right along, chucking right along, chucking right along. Yeah, just whatever. I know it really doesn't look like it, but I am making progress in here on the table. Obviously, you guys can see I have this huge portion of things put away. Now I'm actually just kind of putting this stuff away because obviously I'm not going to use it right now. So I'm putting that in a tote and getting my tablescape ready to work on my tablescape. That's what I mean. I'm just trying to get my stuff ready to work on my tablescape. And I wish I had more of these. I only have one, and I love that little like reindeer. Isn't he so cute in there? So pretty. But I think I'm actually gonna leave like this the way that it is, and I'm just gonna utilize what I have here. I might change these out to like red candles, and which I'll have to go to the store and find red candles for right here. But I think I'm just gonna utilize this. I am gonna remove this and put my black and red one here. But yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. And then that, I'm not sure where I'm gonna put that. I might put that over by the front door. But yeah, I have a lot of work that still has to be done. I changed out a few things up there and added some red, which looks really nice. And then, yeah, I'm just working on this stuff. This is basically what I'm working on. And I have a tote, which I'm vacuuming and sweeping as I go along. I filled some ornaments inside of that thing, which is gonna look really nice. I fluffed up my couch. I have a tote right here. See this tote? This is the tote that I'm using currently to put all of my like regular home decor stuff in that I'm not going to be using for the holiday season right now. So all of that stuff's going to get put in this tote, and then I'll take it upstairs and keep it up there until I need to use it again after the holidays. So yeah, I'm getting stuff done. Which I'm happy about. I actually moved my little houses inside of this thing as well. Obviously I'm going to work on this too. I have to change out the little table runner and move things around on this. This is not how it's going to stay because I personally at this point do not like it. So until I like it, I'll keep messing with it. Let's see. Other than that, that's about it. So yeah, my soup is coming along really well too. Here's the soup. I have to take the chicken out very soon and shred the chicken. But yeah, this is what my soup is looking like so far, which I'm really, really pleased with. I'm gonna take that chicken out very soon and shred it because we like smaller chunks of chicken in the soup, and it smells so good. Whew, can't wait for dinner tonight. But with that being said, I am going to go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope that you guys enjoyed hanging out with me for a little bit today. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time in Wonderland. Bye.